Again, we are making sculptures, very simple sculptures on our tabletop with geometrical design. Well, here I am creating houses and putting them as a candle piece for Hanukkah. But you can create many houses like this and use them as toys for your kids, as if this is a kind of a construction set, Lego or whatever else, and you have got a lot of houses and you can play with it. Your kids can play with it. So let's make such a house with an angular roof, with slanted roof. I showed it at the previous in the previous series. Now I will repeat it, but I think I will make the roof higher, and for that I will prepare the original block a little bit higher than it was before. You see, so that all this weight will go into the roof. And as in the previous class, I will place this piece exactly at 45 degrees. No, well, we will start from 45 degrees. We can make it more like steeper or more even, but now let's start from 45 degrees so that we make something understandable now. And I am pushing it downwards, hitting the table with a very controlled motion, which goes just down without any movements, without any shifts. Then I turn it and push again 45 degrees. How do I see it? What is 45 degrees in my eyes? If I make it like this, I won't be able to see if it's straight or not. But if I hold it like this, then I see that. And I see along this edge, the top edge, then I see that this and this line, they should be exactly symmetrical. Not like this, not like this, but this. Every time I'm hitting the table, I have to care for the symmetry of these two lines. And then my roof will also be symmetrical. Oh, well, here as well. This line and this line should be symmetrically. They don't have to be 45 degrees, right? Okay, but they should be symmetrical. And if the whole angle is the right angle, 90 degrees, then anyway, symmetrical will anyway be 45, doesn't matter. So now, well, you see, I started to make it at some other angle, so it will become a little bit slanted. So I go back, I turn it a little bit back this side and hit like this. Then I go here and hit like this. Okay, I have hit a little bit more on one side than on the other. Oh, well, what to do? I don't know. Well, I mean, I know what to do. To press on that side more, and here also, and here to press this side more. And now we fixed it. Well, you can always fix it a little bit with your fingers, though it will lose its flatness, but the top will be sharper. Well, what are we going to do if it's rounded here? Well, you see, it's rounded, but it's longer. So if I press like this, then it will come back to its straight side and straight top. You see? These are very fine movements, and there is nothing complicated in them. You just have to do them really delicate. And here also, you see, I can not hit, but just press a little bit so that I change the form. You see? And now I will straighten up these sides so that these edges are also straight. Here it's okay. And we've got this kind of a barn. Yeah, that's good. And the roof goes over, I mean it's goes over the wall, so I should press the wall down, but not exactly at the side, at the angle. I have to make some room here so that the roof, as if the roof has some thickness, and I am pressing it, and I can rock it a little bit from side to side to make it more pronounced, you see. And here I go to the adjacent wall and to the next wall, and I check that it is horizontal, and here horizontal, and then I go once again and make it deeper and deeper and deeper, and I have got some kind of a roof. Well, if I don't like that this is too thick, what can I do? Let's think about it. Maybe I will put it, we already used this kind of method. I will put here the base, and I will press my fingers on it so that the roof becomes like this, and then I am putting it down. I am lowering it a little bit, and also here I am putting it like this, and then pressing the roof down on my flat surface, and I am a little bit lowering it, the edges, so that they look more natural. Okay, that's it with the roof. And what about the decoration? The same. We have, well, you can see that here something is really empty. So I will take this angled this side and press it here. We did it already in the previous series. And press it here, and so we've got the roof, and here we can just erase this line, or we can leave it. Let it be. And here I will press like this, and I'm pressing here behind, below the roof. We can even add something else. Okay, now we are not into decorations or ornaments. I will just put some windows here. Well, again, I can have a small window and I can have a bigger window. Well, this is square, so this window is square. Okay, so here I want to make a door. I will have a door, and here I will have two big windows, and here I will make the door like we made at the previous series. I will use this semicircular tip of my other instrument, knife, and we've got this door, and this will be the gate with these things. Now, and as I did at the last, yes, again with the roof, last time I will make the roof from some vertical elements. What I don't know, maybe it's wooden planks, maybe it's hay, or maybe it's I don't know what else. That's it. That's it for now. Very nice house for our very small and very nice little town. Thank you for your attention.